My name is Rosemary Oglesby-Henry. I'm the CEO and founder of the Rosemary's Babies Company. Over the last 5 years, we've served over 1,700 families, mothers and fathers between the ages of 9 and 19. Our mission is to help teen parents master the concepts of self-leadership to leave a legacy. We want them to be great citizens, great parents. The secret of living is giving, and so my purpose is to be kind every day, to show compassion and spread love any way possible. Some of my personal core values are God, family, education, respect, loyalty, and love. The legacy that I hope to leave behind is truly to create global change and policy for teen parents. This begins with the Holloway House and Resource Center that we're building, and this begins with leaving messages on video like this, letting people know that anybody can give, anybody can serve, and anybody can leave a legacy. You just have to put down the goal, walk by faith, and pray without ceasing.